I'm gonna poke it.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
This is a rare species of bird type things that we've never seen before. It's called the red bird thing. Come close. As you can see, it attracts other mates by not doing anything. Although researchers have discovered that its mating call goes something like this. Also called the Teresa call. Damn it, where'd my thing go? Where'd my bottle cap go?
Keep going. if a rooster laid an egg on the top of a curved house, which way would the egg go? Roosters don't lay eggs. Oh, I left.